Genzians, here I am to burst another myth. In some cultures in India, it is said to blow air on the nail of your thumb or pour water over it. Is it just a myth or is there a scientific reason hidden behind it? Surprisingly, there is a scientific reason. When we sneeze, our heart rate increases all of a sudden, so to calm it down, we are asked to blow air or pour water over the thumb as slowly. Blowing air over the pad of your thumb can slow down your heartbeat in times of stress or anxiety. Thank you. For more such tips, follow my channel Bursting.